Hello, my name is Pauline and I'm from Mimi's Restaurant and Bar. Today I'm working with the Friendly Food Club. We're bringing you a very good Nigerian recipe, which is the yam and egg sauce. So for today's recipe, I'm gonna start from with the salt. We need oil to fry the egg sauce. We need a little bit of heat in there, which is a scotch bonnet. We've got sweet peppers, we've got onion, and then we've got some stock cubes as well. And I think the main thing we need here is the yam, which this is Puna yam. This is from Ghana. I particularly like it because it comes out in a very sweet taste. Some Nigerians, when they do cook, they use sugar to cook instead of salt. But today I'm using salt to put inside of that, and that's really all you need to cook the yam. It's a bit difficult in UK here to see this outside. Like you go to Asda or Tesco, you will not see this yam there. You can only find it at the Asian shop. I kind of liken it to just a normal potato. When you cook the potato and cook the yam, that state it comes out, that's how the yam will come out as well. But it's not like bland because you put salt or you put sugar, so it comes out, you know, a bit sweeter. So the first thing we need to do is to peel the yams, cut them into thick slices. Again, the shape you want is entirely up to you, but you're gonna see the way I'm gonna cut this one, and hopefully you can, you know, just replicate it as well. And then wash them thoroughly before putting in the pot to cook with the salt. Okay, so now the yam is peeled, and this is how you want it to be because we're gonna cook it. So after peeling and cutting to the slices you want, you need to wash it, you know, properly before putting in your pot of cooking. If you want to do chips, you can do yam with it. You can use yam with it, but at that stage you need to cut it, you know, in a slimmer shape so that you don't leave it too long to cook. Or back home, what we do sometimes, we roast it, like, you know, roasted yam. It's, you know, it's very good as well. So now the yam is washed, and we'll go water in it, just, you know, not too much, you know, over the yam, just on top of it. And then we're gonna put a teaspoon of salt in there. Okay, so we'll put the salt in there, and the next thing we need to do is to put it in the cooker. Allow it to cook for about 15 minutes, and while that you need to check to see if it's soft, you know, in the state that you want to eat it and ready to eat. And yeah, just keep checking. So while we've got our yam cooking, the next thing we need to do is to prepare the egg sauce. And in order to do that, again, these are the ingredients we need. The first thing we need oil to go in the pan. Leave it to heat for just a few seconds, and then put in your vegetables in there, and put in your salt, your no cube. Allow it to cook for a few minutes, again about 2-3 minutes, and then you put your eggs in. Well, before putting your eggs, you need to break them, of course, and then, you know, whisk it and then put it inside. So the eggs are ready now with the yam as well, so I'm just gonna serve at the side. You can see the color of the eggs. It's beautiful. So this is our finished, should I say finished product? The yam is ready, eggs ready at the same time. You've got your vegetables inside. It's, you know, it's beautiful. Everything is cooked, you know, to perfection. Again, please, you know, try this recipe. It's really good, Nigerian and egg sauce. You can have it, usually we have it for breakfast on the weekend. The yam is quite filling as well, so you might want to have maybe 2 you know, slices, or, you know, 3. Again, it's up to you how you want to eat it. Send your pictures after trying the recipe out. Again, put it on the Facebook page of the Friendly Food Club.